Hello and welcome to another update video on AVAX. Yeah, you guys asked me to provide an update on Discord, so I thought we'll break it down here for everybody. The chart is currently facing some resistance, right? Overall, AVAX is holding better than many other charts at the moment in the very short term. We pushed obviously from the support zone in June. That's where it found a low. We pushed higher into the July highs. Short and shallow pullback into the August lows and then continuation to the upside. And I think there's a good chance we might get to that trend line here eventually, maybe not in a very direct fashion. That could happen maybe after a little bit higher, then pullback and higher. We need to cross that trend line either way at some point for this to be something more bullish than simply a wave 2 corrective bounce. At the moment, it looks like this third might actually still be unfolding. It's not very clear. The fourth wave support area is between $25.55 and $29. This is a support zone in case the C wave up that started down here in June is a so-called ending diagonal pattern, which I think it is, because it's all corrective. Yeah, the subwaves, for example. The third wave also looks like an A, B, C structure, but it doesn't look finished yet. So ideally, this third wave would push higher at least, and that's normally what I'd like to see, $44.31, the 138% extension. We obviously haven't reached it yet, and the price is facing some resistance below, this Fibonacci level, the 100% extension at $35.88. That's very often a very, very important and key resistance level when it comes to altcoins. So it's not a surprise at all that there's a bit of a pullback. The only support area, however, I can offer is this one for wave 4. Below that level, below that area, it becomes really problematic for the bulls. I mean, you need to think about it like that. Yeah, we have had resistance here, structural resistance, which could now act as support. So this is actually, maybe I should mark it here as a support resistance line. This, it's not exactly one level, right? It's more like here, it's sort of the area, around $27, $27, $28. This was resistance before, and now the price could find support when we test it from above. That would be around $27.26, and that's also where the 50% retracement level is. So I would not find it unusual for this to happen, but ideally the third stretch is a little higher. So essentially, I think it would be problematic if we break below that support area, which kind of aligns very well with the structural support level. But against it, we can watch for higher prices, specifically for the price to reach that 44.30 level. That is what I would like to see next. And then possibly a little higher even in this fifth wave towards $50. I think this trend line, we could test it. That's at least the thesis, as long as we're holding $25.55. So yeah, those are the key levels currently on the AVAX chart. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to check out our channel memberships. Tomorrow we are running our weekly MCO live stream. In addition to that, check out our X channel for additional updates, news, charts, and much more. You can find some additional updates here that you won't find on YouTube. Check it out. Link is in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.